I'm Ben with BTC Sessions, and this is your lightning session brought to you by the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, April 6th through 9th. You can grab your tickets now at b.tc/conference and use code BTC Sessions for 10% off. Here are some things to consider when deciding where to buy Bitcoin. If possible, you should use an exchange located within your own country, as it will be much easier to interact with via local banking infrastructure, aka getting money from your bank account to the exchange. Be mindful of the fees you are paying on any exchange. Ideally, you want an exchange that allows for deposits and withdrawals for free, but if there are fees involved, make sure they're minimal. And be sure that you avoid any exchange that charges a flat rate denominated in Bitcoin to withdraw. Most fees you encounter will come via the spread, which is the difference between which the company buys and sells Bitcoin, much like traditional currency exchanges. On the topic of making withdrawals, make sure you're using a company that allows you to do so. Some companies specifically only allow you to get exposure to the price fluctuations of Bitcoin and do not allow you to take Bitcoin into your own wallet. This can result in major headaches down the line if you would like to self-custody. Avoid glorified altcoin casinos. If you log on to your exchange and you're inundated with hundreds of different coins, it's highly likely that they don't have your best interests at heart and they're simply encouraging you to gamble so that you incur more fees. This is the antithesis to Bitcoin's ethos of hard money long-term savings. For some examples, Shakepay in Canada is likely your best bet in terms of checking all those boxes. In the US, you can check out Strike, Swan Bitcoin, and Cash App as great options.